Hi guys, welcome to my channel how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website www.com. This is officially website so you can download the driver. Then you can see this is search button. Then enter the model number of the motherboard B760M space DS3H space AX. Then hit enter. Then click on the product. After that click on the name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. Select any. So first this is audio driver, and you can see this is audio driver, and this is size, and just you can this is download button. You just click on that. After that you can start downloading. You just click it. So you can see I already downloaded 165.mb and just open it. After that double click to launch. Then just double click. You can see it will start downloading, and just open. After downloading it, open it. Let's start the installation. It will take some time. After it automatically loses is installed. Then click on yes. And it is done means automatically close it. Then chipset. So you can see this is first installed Intel serial driver and download. And it's done. And click on yes. Now this is extracting. And then close it. Then this one Intel INF installer, click to download, and open it. Then double click. Then click on yes. After that you can just start downloading, sorry, installing. So it automatically close means is installed. LAN driver, same Realtek LAN, and click to download. You can see this is start downloading, and after that open it. Then double click, then click on yes. Now this is installing the LAN driver, so it will take some time. It will close automatically means this is installed, like that, and then close it. Then VGA driver. So this is Intel VGA driver and 77. You can see this, just click on download. It will complete it, and double click to launch, and then it's install, and then restart your system. Next, BT means Bluetooth driver. You can see this is Bluetooth driver, and click to download, and it is done. And then open it, then double click to launch. Then click on yes. Then it is done, and then close it. Then Wi-Fi driver, and click to download, and it will complete. Just open it, and single click to open. Wait few second. Then click on yes. This extracts first, and after you can see this installation start, and it is closed means it is installed. After it is start your system. Thank you.